Hello friends, thanks for tuning in. Today we are making gulab jamun in vegan style. When I became a vegan several years ago, the hardest part was missing most of the Indian sweets. I kept trying several recipes to make gulab jamun in vegan way, and here is one recipe that gets me as close as possible to a real gulab jamun. We'll be making about 15 to 20 gulab jamuns today. Here are the things I'll be using. Half cup silk tofu, half cup all-purpose flour, a pinch of baking soda, 2 green cardamoms pounded to a fine powder, a pinch of saffron soaked in water, a small medium-sized sweet potato. I didn't have a small one, so I chopped a big one in half, a pinch of salt, 1 cup sugar, and a spoon of lemon juice. Let's peel the sweet potato and chop it into small cubes. Just add the sweet potatoes to the water and boil it until the sweet potatoes get a little soft. I have boiled the sweet potato for about 10 minutes. It's cooked well enough. I'm turning off the gas. Let's mash the sweet potatoes well. Add the soft tofu to the mashed sweet potatoes. Add half a teaspoon salt and quarter teaspoon baking soda to the mashed mixture. Add about 4 teaspoons of all-purpose flour and mix well. Add 2 teaspoons of powdered sugar. Mix all the ingredients until they blend well and form a smooth dough. I'm adding 1 more teaspoon of all-purpose flour. Keep this mixture in the refrigerator for about 2 hours until it gets more firm. Let's make the sugar syrup. To 1 glass of water, I'm adding 1 cup of sugar. Looks like the sugar has dissolved. Let's add the cardamom powder, the saffron water, and half a teaspoon of lemon juice. To the syrup, the lemon juice prevents the sugar from crystallizing. Let the sugar syrup boil for about 5 minutes and then you can turn off the flame. The dough is less sticky and more rollable after taking it out of the fridge. You can just gently roll it into round balls and dip it into the oil on a low flame. It has to be on a low flame because the core of the gulab jamun has to cook well. Looks like it's about done. Checking if the gulab jamun is cooked. Yeah, the toothpick comes out clean. Let's make a few more holes in the gulab jamun before putting it into the hot sugar syrup. If you enjoy watching our content, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Add the gulab jamuns to the hot sugar syrup and allow it to soak for half an hour.